Hi all. Today we will going to perform static routing but by using IPv6 addressing. So for this I am creating a small scenario. I am taking two routers 2811, one switch I am taking, two machines I am going to connect with this switch, and one PC I am directly connecting with the second router. So now connect all the machines with each other. By using cross cable I am connecting both the routers with each other, as well as cross cable to connect second router with the PC. Now straight cable to connect switch as well as the machines with the switch. So this way you can just create a small scenario. Now scenario is up. So there are three networks. One is this, second and third. So we have to give three different network addresses over here. Suppose this is router A and this is router B, right? So network addresses in case of your IPv6 we can give. I'm writing here network address. Suppose I'm giving here mm, A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3, right? This is a network address for this network address. Similarly I'm using for this is, suppose I'm using start from B, and here I'm using this one which starts from C123, B123 and A123, right? Because half of the address we are dividing into network and half for the host machines, right? So four blocks for network and four for the host. So now I am going to configure. I am giving IP address to the machines first. Open the machine, desktop IP configuration. Here IPv6 configuration A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3. uh, Here I'm giving, suppose I'm using zero compression, so I'm giving over here 164, and gateway also we have to give. So I am A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3, zero compression. Then suppose I'm giving 11 act as a gateway for this LAN network, right? So close this. Second machine I am giving similarly A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon. Here I am giving, we have given 1 now, here I am giving 264 slash and A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon 11 act as a gateway, right? So these are the IPv6 addresses we have given. Just check. Now come to the router CLI. Would you like to enter the initial configuration? No, we have to do the fresh installation. So enable the router, configure terminal. Now open the interfaces and give the IP. So in this case, FA0 by 1 is connected to this LAN network. So I am opening that first. Interface FA0 by 1, right? IPv6 address A colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon 11 slash 64, right? No shutdown. So this is up now. Now we can configure the second, that is of B network. So FA0 by 0 is connected in this case. Interface FA0 by 0, which is connected with the second router. So IPv6 address, I have taken B dot 1 dot 2 colon dot colon 3 colon colon 1, I am taking slash 64. No shutdown. Now close this window and go to second router. Its interface is also FA0 by 0, which is connected with the first router, and it is in B network. So CLI, we are doing fresh installation, so we configuration, so we have to do no here, then enable configure terminal, then interface FA0 by 0 is connected with first router, so same IPv6 address B colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon 2 slash 64. Done. No shutdown. Now it is up. Yes, both turns into green. So second interface of the second router, that is FA0 by 1, which is connected with the PC. So I'm opening that interface FA0 by 1 IPv6 address C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon suppose 1 slash 64. No shutdown. This address act as a gateway for this PC, right? Now go to PC desktop IP. Here give the IP C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon, I am giving 2 slash 64, and gateway C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon, I am giving 2. Sorry, 1 is a IP6 gateway, so that we have to give C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon 1. So this is a configuration done. Now we have to do the static routing. So this is the one network, two network, and three. This one as a source network and C as a destination. So we have to write the command on the router A, open it, and switch to the global configuration mode by writing exit command. Now IPv6 route, then network destination network address, that is C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon slash 64, next hop IP address. Next hop IP address is this router B's FA0 by 0, and its address is B colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon 2, right? This command is done. Now IPv6 route C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon slash 64, this is a network address, destination network address, and next hop IP address is this. Go to the second router. Similarly, now C network act as a source and A network act as a destination network. Go to router B, again CLI, go to global configuration mode. Now IPv6 route destination network is A 3 colon colon slash 64. Next hop IP address is which one? Now this one. A routers FA0 by 0 port act as a next hop IP address because this port is connected with B routers FA0 by 0 port. So FA0 by 0 port of A act as a next hop IP address. So its address is B colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon colon 1. Sorry, here is a error hash by mistake I have written. There is colon 3 colon colon 1. Now it is fine. Now just check the connectivity among both the networks. So I am opening this machine and I am ping C colon 1 colon 2 colon 3 colon 2. This is the address of the machine which is connected with the B router. So we will check RTO comes. Now we have to wait for the next packet's response. Next, again we will check once again. C column 1, column 2, column 3, column 2. This is the IP we have given. No? Just check. 1, 2, 3, column 2. Gateway is not given. Just wait. 2 column 3. Gateway is given. Just wait. F is 0 by 1, 3 column 1. Yeah. Here the IP we have given F is 0 by 0. It is one next to is this. Next to 3 1. Okay. Next hope is correct. I will check the ping from this side, this machine. Just check the gateway again. Gateway is 11 over here. 11 we have given. Okay. Here also 11 I think. Yes, fine. Here we have given 11. All right. 1 2 3 2. Okay. From this side also I will check the ping. Ping A column 1, column 2, column 3, column uh, 1. RTO. RTOs are coming. We will just troubleshoot it again. IPs are correct. 1 column 2 column 3 column 1 3 2 64 is there. 1 2 3 1, and here is 1 2 3 2. C 1 2 3 1, and 1 2 3 1 act as a gateway also for this machine. 1 2 3 1. Okay, 1 2 3 2. 2 is the IP of this machine. Yeah, IPv6 route. One command is missing. That command is IPv6, that we have to use unicast hyphen routing, that is missing. Okay. By this we have troubleshoot the whole network also. In this way you can troubleshoot. Now this is the error, so we have to use IPv6 space unicast hyphen routing to enable the IPv6 routing on both the routers. Okay, IPv6 unicast hyphen routing. IPv6 space unicast hyphen routing. Now it is fine. Now we will check the ping again. Now it's fine. The ping is going between both the ends. Yes, fine. Now in this way you can configure as well as troubleshoot the network. Here we have done what we have done, static routing by using IPv6 addressing. Thank you.